Good morning from the beautiful Black Hills of South Dakota. Hi, I'm Faye Swinson, independent sales rep and national recruiter for Avon. And today I'm going to talk about campaign 17. The first 13 pages are full of all kinds of silver and gold and metal kind of jewelry that are fantastic prices. Like this piece I have on, you know me, I have to show you things. This one has all kinds of little beads around it right here. And they are introductory for $12.99. And then look at this gorgeous bracelet. It's one that it's coils. We had one many years ago with the different colors, but this one's like multicolored with beads in it and little charms on it. And I just think it's just gorgeous. So for little people, just people that can easily probably just push it on. And I guess I did too, and I'm not full wristed. So, but it's one that you can kind of make to be whatever kind of size you want. And some other of that gorgeous jewelry is this cross. And notice, it's like two crosses. You can see if I can make it so you can see. It has the top cross is silver and the bottom cross is gold. The silver one has all kinds of CZs on it. Introductories for $9.99. Great buy, huh? And this is a bracelet. It comes in silver or gold, just like the necklace does. And it has this little loop to hold it. So depending on what size you need it, you can put it in the lower loop and then just have this one dangle, or in the bigger one. So it made it so it fits all kinds of sizes of wrists. And like I said, this necklace also comes in silver, gold, or it's called a gunmetal. And I just think it's really pretty. Bug guard. Mosquitoes are out this year. We're not used to mosquitoes here in South Dakota. I mean, we have some, but on the other side of the state usually. But since we're getting so darn much moisture, we are getting some mosquitoes. And so I want everybody to be protected. I did order in a bunch of bug guards. So if you're out and about and see me and want some, I probably have it. I have a cooler that I'm carrying in my car. So let me know so that you can stay protected. One of my very favorite foundations is the Flawless Liquid, and it's one that has a little pump on it. Can you see the pump? And it comes in all kinds of colors. Some of the really dark colors are being discontinued, but the majority of them are staying. It does show that it's last time in brochure, but it's the last one. And Attraction is one of our fun fragrances. They're on sale for like $20. But what's kind of fun is this time in the catalog, they went through and put, like, if you're like wanting to go to a certain place on a vacation, this is a great way to figure out if this is a place that you want to go on vacation, maybe this is a smell you need to check out. So yeah, like this one for the far away stuff says Havana, and New York for all the rare stuff. Kyoto, because of the Kyoto flower, for the haiku, some of the haikus things. But yeah, it's kind of fun. Tuscany for the Mari. We just kind of went through there and put that. But each of them has their own destination, and it's what I don't remember what the destination was for Attraction. And you know me, I'm gonna keep telling you about this one because with our sun, we have had record temperatures. So we're getting a lot more sun, so you do need really good sunscreen. This is an SPF 50 with UVA, UVB protection, and the day and the night ones are on sale. If you have had skin cancer, you're even more. I want you to make sure you start using this, and remember to use just these two, the pinky and the little finger, to put it on, because you want to stay protected and keep your skin looking good and not have to get cut away. One of my fun things I like in Mark is the Gloss Gorgeouses, and they're ones that have all kinds of colors, and I've already used this one, so this is not white. When it comes in, this part here will be white, but you just click it until it comes out, and it's just really easy application. It's one that stays on longer. It's a more of a stay put lip balm. And so I like it for that reason, because I do eat my lipsticks off. This is your sneak peek. We have a new product coming out called a new clinical unlimited lashes. It's to put on your upper lid of your on your lash line or on your brows. So if you've lost some brows, and it has just a little teeny brush, so it's easy to apply, and you do it at night. And when you buy that, you also get the Clinical Eye Lift Pro, which is the one with the two for the gel for the brow or brow line, as well as the cream for underneath. And so you get that as a set. And as you can see over here, I have a few that I've ordered in ahead of time because I would love people to try it, because I'm so excited about it. So yeah. Kids line, if you haven't tried it yet, do take time to try it. We have so much fun with all these different ones. And remember, the poems are on the brochures or on the back of the bottles. And they're like $5.99 introductory, which is fantastic. You've been wondering about these, I'm sure. These are pruners. Remember, we have sales flyers all the time, our outlets and stuff. I don't always I have them with me, but you can always check them out on my e-store. But these pruners, I like to garden, and so I was really excited about these. Aren't these just beautiful? And they were one of the things that's in outlet. Sometimes I miss things and I didn't see them in the regular catalog. So yeah. Another thing, this was in last time's, this shirt that I got is in last time's Avon, was in last time's catalog, and it has a cami underneath it, and it's lace, and it's really, I don't know, I thought it's kind of pretty. Red, I like red. Your feet are showing more, so we have our little pedicure kits, and they come with two different kinds of clippers, and the file, and the cuticle trimmer, and the pusher. And they're like $3.99. So you do want to keep your nails looking good, because you're showing your feet more. So this is a good time to be getting your nails done and getting it for $3.99. And when you're doing your nails, one of the things that I love, since I've been using the AM Protect, my nails are growing, but I have never really painted mine because I didn't want people to see my nails so much because they weren't such great. But one of the things that I always use is our base coat. And if you notice, it's like a little flesh kind of a color. And it's one that is great. I'm one of those that when I do it, I usually get myself ready to get out the door. And then I put a coat of polish on. And then as I'm driving, it has time to dry. And because I'm not one to sit and wait for my nails to dry. So once my nails grow, I'm going to have to start thinking about taking time to just sit and do nothing so that they can dry and I won't mix them up. So we have all kinds of those that are on sale this time. Candles. Yes, we've been having a lot of rain here, but I love the smell of rain. This one's called Summer Rain, so why'd I get it, right? Since I've smelled it all the time myself. But Summer Rain is just so fresh. And so if you aren't from the country like I am and get to smell that freshness all the time, you will love this candle. And we have, like I said, 9 different candles, and they are $11.99. So do check them out, because I don't know, I love our 3 wick candles. And like I said, I didn't show you, I usually tell you about it. But we have 3 wicks, and if you burn them all at the same time, it burns down to almost nothing. So $11.99. And did you wonder what this was? I am so excited about this. I've always wanted, it's just so elegant. It's a little jacket, and it has lace as well as just really beautiful, like embroidered into the linen and even the back of it. Look at how gorgeous that is. And then on the front of it, I'll turn around so you can see the front view of it too. But is that just ever so gorgeous? And see if you can see that. But yeah, and those I think are just going to be a big sellout. So if you're wanting one, you want to get one of those really soon. Let's see if I showed you the stuff I got. Couple of things. Of course, we can always back order 2 brochures. So our campaigns 15 and 16 books are good. And we always have all kinds of little sales flyers. And one that I want to make sure you see is our Bug Guard one. And we have sets of the Bug Guard with Expedition. These have sunscreen in them. These are for dusk to dawn with a Picard in them. You get the lotion, the spray, the aerosol, and the anti-itch spray, all for $20. And what's kind of cool about the aerosol is you can actually turn it upside down and apply it yourself, and it still comes out. So that's kind of a nice one if you're going to be doing it by yourself. Because if you, of course, turn a spray bottle upside down, it's not quite there. But this is like the big excitement that I have to tell you about. See if you can see this. Avon is offering this special for people that want to sign up, become an Avon rep, or just to get a super discount for yourself on a regular basis for $10. You can sign up to become a rep for $10 now through August 6th. And when you do that, when you place your first order, and when you sign up, you get all this stuff in your kit. And then when you send in your first order, you're going to get these. No, I didn't bring them. Put them on here. Our beauty samplers, and two more of those, and then some more brochures for doing it. And then when you send in your second order of $150 or more, you're going to get some more brochures, as well as this heart tote bag. And then when your first 3 orders are $500 or more, hey Tammy, you'll get this, our premium kit, which is normally $100, but it's valued at $400. You'll get all of that. So it's like $546 worth of stuff you can get for free for signing in for $10. And in your first 3 campaigns, you sell $500 more. But here's the even kicker. We have the Kickstart incentive going on, and everybody that signs up in the first 7 campaigns, every campaign that you make your Kickstart goals, then they're not much. They start at the first order, whatever, and so whatever. And then 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, and 400. You get 40% on everything. That's clothes and everything. So like this, you get 40% on this cool little jacket. So now is a great time to sign up. So check out my page. Message me if you're interested in becoming a rep. And thanks much. I am so excited. I will be going next week to our Rep Fest, and I will be sharing a bunch of stuff about what's going on. I can't wait to find out what's going to happen in Campaign 19. When you get your brochures, you're going to say, what's happening? I am only going to be giving you Campaign 18 books because they wouldn't even send our Campaign 19 books because there's some big, huge reveal. So looking forward to sharing that with you. Faye Swinson, Avon Independent Sales Rep and National Recruiter from the beautiful Black Hills of South Dakota. Have a great day.